Do you have referral trees? Think of it this way. Instead of focusing on the fruit, an apple or a water job, you don't actually want the apple. You want to focus on the thing that gives you the apple. That is going to be the tree. You want a referral tree. What's a referral tree? A company that can feed consistent water damage jobs into your business. Let me ask you a question. What do you do when you have a leak? Step 1. Call a plumber. The customer already knows, likes, and trusts the plumber. That's why they called them. Someone they know, like, and trust is now referring them to clean up and do the dry out. That's going to be you. If you want us to help you build referral trees, go to workwithshane.com. We can hop on a 15-minute call, see if we can help. Go to workwithshane.com.